Hey, my name is Rob. I'm one of the co-founders here at Simply Be Found, and I had a question come across that I thought would be good for me to do a video on. The question came from a member who asked if we have a direct integration with Amazon Alexa, especially with all this new stuff that's coming out for Alexa, how Alexa is going to work. It's supposed to be getting smarter, picking up more data. The answer to this is yes, we do have a direct integration with Alexa. We're able to submit that data directly to them, and they end up picking that up. What that means is that we are an aggregator for data. We are able to go out to the network and be able to say, yes, here's the information. Now, what they do with that information is completely up to them. So we can never say, okay, when we provide that info, you're always going to rank at the very top. Alexa, where it sits at the time of recording this video, is not as smart as what it's supposedly going to be getting. I have not been able to find a beta program or test a beta program yet for the new Amazon Alexa. It's supposed to be releasing early to mid 2025, but it's going to be really super exciting because this is going to help a lot of businesses. There's a ton of searches that happen every single day on Amazon Alexa. It's one of those things to where people ask questions. It's sitting on kitchen counters. It's sitting on, desks. It's sitting inside of all kinds of different spots where they have the smart speakers and ties into everything. So it's a very important piece for a business to be able to make sure they are able to get on. It's also an important piece for them to be able to explore and be able to take to that next level. So what information and what does that mean when you have a direct connection? So the direct connection means that we send that data directly to them as an aggregator. When that data goes over to them, they get your business name, your business phone number, your address, your hours, your business descriptions. We are also providing over your website address, your social media links. We're providing your whole entire data file. So when that data file lands over on their network, what that means is that they can then take that data and they can process it. And it makes that connection happen. So we talk about the tree of marketing all the time, which is that organic piece. So this is part of that organic piece. It's one of those root structures that then is going to go into your website because in my opinion, I have really no proof on this. I think Amazon Alexa scrapes your website. It looks for the proper schema information, looks for proper, blogs, looks for information, any data that you've shared on your website. And then it's also going to look at your branches. So your branches are things like social media. Then you have sub branches off of that for Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all the different networks that are out there. And then you have your blog, you have all this different, all your different marketing that happens out there. So what happens is all that information comes through and it all connects. It all relies on each other to be able to help that information be able to grow and to be able to take that to the next level. So that direct integration is one piece. We tell them, hey, this business exists. Here's where you can find that business. Here's where you can send that business information. And here's where you can be able to make that go. So our data science team is constantly looking to be able to take that profile to that next level. Add things to your profile to be able to make it to where you can stand out more than somebody else in your competition might be standing out. And to where you can provide all the right data sets to bring those connections together to be able to get your business found by more local customers so you can increase your sales, increase your leads, and take your business to the next level. With this direct integration and how they're now picking data directly up from us, that's a huge piece. So all of our direct integrations are everything that's inside of the actual dashboard. So when you go and you look at it, that's all the ones that we're sending it over to either manually or automatically. The only thing that we do manually is going to be your Google business profile for updating that information. And the reason why we did that is we like to keep it separate because we can optimize you on the rest of these networks and not have to worry about Google business profiles, policies, and different things that are inside of there. So everything kind of ties into one great big huge piece. Everything is a garbled up mess and it's all tied. This network talks to this network talks to this network. We make it simple. You come in, you fill out one set of forms, and you tell us about your business. We take that information and we send it out to the networks. You get coaching to where we can help you be able to optimize your information to make it so you have a better chance. So that way your business has more opportunities to go to that next level. If you're looking to be able to take your business to the next level, you're looking to be able to be found on voice search, specifically Amazon Alexa, we can help you get there and help you take your business to that next level. So come check us out, simplybefound.com. Chat with us. I'm on chat. Dean's on chat. We're both the co-founders. We handle 100% of the chat. We do things a little bit different over here, and we look forward to chatting with you today and seeing how we can help your business. Thanks for watching.